This is our audio review summary of the book Green Side Up, provided to you by Providence Trading Capital Partners, our little gift to you. So let's get on with the next part of it. Green Side Up, Part 1, Chapter 2, the best legal structure. This talks about choosing the right legal structure for your business and how important it is, and ultimately coming around to the choices that you have, between sole proprietorship, LLC, S corporation, C corporation, and maybe a general partnership. And there are a lot of cookie cutter the opportunities to set up your legal structure online, and you can do it, and then you can do it yourself. It's a very cheap and reasonable way to do it. The question is it reasonable? And Ed LaFlamme says in the book, he says, you can look at this and you can look at that and find out that, hey, different legal structures have different consequences depending on how you pay yourself out of the business annually. And then ultimately also when you perhaps go to sell the company, you might wind up getting stuck with double taxation, a taxation at the corporate level and a tax at the personal level. And so you have to be very conscious of what it is that you're doing when you go ahead and set up your legal structure. You may have the right one, you may not. And the recommendation that Ed suggests is that, getting some advice relative to this from a good lawyer who knows what he's doing is super important so that you can sit down and make sure that you have the right legal structure set up. And that is not necessarily, it may be your accountant, it may be your CPA, they may know a lot about these different things, but it might also be a lawyer and a tax lawyer, someone that has that indication. So it says, take action. If you are not positive you currently have the correct business structure, have professionals review it just to be sure so that you can march down the road happily and skip along the way. Thank you very much.